Official. Today I'm gonna show you a tour of my Play-Doh house. It's all handmade. So here you can see it's our dog, and you can see here's the water, and here's the dog food. And here is our dining table. You can see the salad with tomato. Over here is our living room. It has handmade TV, carpet, cardboard cushion, and some pillow. Over here is our kitchen. As you can see, this is our stove, and you can see it's a hamburger. And over here, it's all food. It's all handmade by Play-Doh. Let's go to the second story by Dolly. We have alligator, right? Over here, it's our shelf made by the Ferrero Rocher, the chocolate. And over here is our piggy bank. Over here is my cousin, and she's just sleeping. That's our bed. And oh yeah, I forgot to show you something. Go to the first story. As you can see, this is a picture of me and my cousin. Let's go to the third story. As you can see, over here is our bathroom, and here is just a bird that is handmade, a toilet bowl, and yeah, bathtub. And this is my hat, and you can wear it. And here's our shampoo. Here's the shelf. Here's the lamp, and here's the golden thingy thing. That's the table. Let's go to the first story. And over here, you can see it's empty, but we are figuring out how to make something, like maybe backyard or whatever. So, bye!